Hello, class. This is Dr. Valenzuela. Welcome to our week 6 of MAT240 Applied Statistics. Don't worry about the dates here for week 6, as the dates are going to change from term to term. I do have all my videos at the top of the announcement, and you will see that the overview video is at the very top. I have the links to the Online Math Center and the workshops here in my announcement. And then my week 6 video lectures links are listed right here as well in the announcement. And in this particular section, we're going to talk about confidence intervals. We're going to also discuss and further discuss, which we started in week 5, hypothesis testing. So again, this is another section where confidence intervals is a concept that you haven't heard about or even worked with. So this is going to be a very important section to focus in on for week 6. Within the module, this is actually module 6 here. You're going to want to read the module 6 introduction. You're going to want to review the resources for mean confidence intervals. Complete the 6-1 discussion, confidence intervals. So this is an actual discussion where you're going to be completing the initial post by Thursday of the discussion week. You're going to post your response to at least 2 peers, okay, in module 6-1 discussion. Okay, you want to do that by Sunday, the end of the week. And in the replies, what I like to see is at least 3 to 4 sentences with some substantial feedback in your replies to classmates. Complete your 6-2 participation activity using the ZY book, the interactive textbook. Complete the 6-3 challenge activity using the ZY book, the interactive textbook. Then review and read the 6-4 review section. Of course, review my announcements every week. That's something I want you to continue to do. Okay, watch the weekly lecture videos in my announcement and use the workshops and one-to-one math tutoring at SNH2. Those are both great resources. As I mentioned, this particular section, we're going to be talking about confidence intervals. And now, this is another section where you want to devote about 2 to 3 hours per day, reviewing the material, reviewing the videos, reviewing and doing your own research as well. And remember, I also have my tips of the week here link, which I require all students to review. So just click on that link. And I have other suggestions and links and resources on taking an online math class. And so make sure that you spend some time focusing on that. And this particular tip of the week, you're going to find that starting the end of week 6, I'm going to call the tips motivational tips. But I'm going to talk about my own story of working through education and developing as a student, a university student, and challenges that I had in my life going through my education and achieving the goals that I had for myself. So from end of week 6 through week 7 and week 8, I'm going to share my own story about how I achieved success both in my career and also in my education. So they're really important to review those weekly tips of the week. Okay, so to get to our course, module 6, you'll find all the links within the course, within our Brightspace course, and all the information. Again, spend a significant amount of time and use the tutoring resources that we have, the math tutoring, because they will be helpful in this section of confidence intervals. Now, one thing that I do suggest is that when you do want to, further research on a topic of confidence intervals, use YouTube. Do a search on confidence intervals or different types of confidence intervals, and just do a search in YouTube, and you'll find a lot of different lecture videos on the topic. And in addition to the tips of the week that I provide within the tips of the day link. Okay, so have a great week 6. I look forward to working with you online.